Alright, that float switch clearly was not working. I just pulled it up with my finger and shut it off. When I tried to blow it out from outside, I got nothing. So even though I might make a mess, I'm fixing to cut it right here and blow this out. Well, hold on. I ain't gonna do it just yet. I'm gonna vacuum some of this water out first. Got to say, these little cordless wet dry vacs are some of the best things that come along to our industry in a while. Down 2 gallons. I was expecting that to be full. I also did not see a trap. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna DC this other float switch, and I'm gonna put one of these SS2s in right here. That I'm pretty sure will work. And I ain't got to work. I can just leave that right there. Vacuumed out just about all the water I could. I don't normally like to glue these, but I don't want it. I don't want that tipping over.